Window tint application tools 1 set. 9 PCS window tint tools for vehicle film including window squeegee, scraper, utility knife and blades. Professional and daily use of installing automotive window tint which help to install any flat curved surfaces, corners. Effectively remove air bubbles produced during the film pasting and improve the efficiency of installing film. For the blue rubber with metal handle squeegee and white card squeegee with black rubber, they could clean the water very clearly for glass, mirror, shower, auto, car windows. For the yellow corner squeegee, black squeegee and mini pink squeegee, they could be used widely on the corners and the place which normal squeegee is hard to reach. For the orange double-sided scraper, one side plastic, one side metal, according to your needs to remove stubborn glue or small dirty residue. Equipped with a knife to cut the shape you want and has 10 carbon steel material knives to replace. Professional window tint toolkit includes 8 tools. Each tool has its own feature and function. Using this tool, you could finish your installing job easily.